Gone are the days of bad bras and bad fits. If you're letting some badly fitted bras decide your outfits, these bra hacks are going to get you hooked. A long day out can be quite stressful for your shoulders and also leave strap marks. If this is something that bothers you, wrap your strap in a silicone strap cushion. This will balance and ease out the pressure from your bra straps. Love that cool low back top but can't seem to hide your bra strap? A bra converter is your answer. It's nothing but an extra strap you can attach to your bra and convert it into the perfect bra for anything with a low back. Silicone inserts are a great alternative to push-up bras. Just attach them to your regular bra and get the effect of a push-up bra. Best part, they are reusable. Don't like your bra straps peeking out from your sleeveless tops? Use a bra clip to hook both your bra straps closer, without compromising on your bra fit. If you find that your movements are restricted while wearing a loose neckline, you're definitely not alone. Fashion tape is a double-sided tape that can help keep your neckline in place and keep any other wardrobe malfunctions at bay. If you find that your bra band has become tight, even though your breasts sit perfectly in the cups, a quick fix would be a bra extender. As the name suggests, it extends the band of the bra, making it comfortably loose. The easiest way to conceal a low neck is to wear a cami. But if you don't like the extra layers and still want the advantage of one, this triangular miracle camisole can be the perfect solution. It can be attached to your bra and will sit perfectly well at your neckline. So there you have it, a quick fix for every bra problem. These lingerie accessories are sure to make your life much easier. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.